Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Clickup with Notion using the latest steps for 2024. By the end of this video, you'll have your Clickup workspace connected right inside Notion, making it so much easier to manage all your tasks and projects together. So, if you're ready to level up your productivity and keep everything in one place, let's dive in and get you set up. We're going to start right inside Notion. First, head over to your settings. For Notion, you'll usually find this in the sidebar or by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. It's important to always begin in settings whenever you're dealing with integrations, because you want to make sure you're connecting things securely and you'll have access to all the right options. Once you're inside the settings menu, look for the section labeled Connections. This is where Notion stores its links to other platforms, so it's the perfect spot to start. Now, depending on updates or your account layout, you might notice a button or a link that says See All. Go ahead and click that. Sometimes Notion will only show a few popular integrations up front, but by clicking See All, you'll reveal the complete list. Don't worry if you don't see Clickup immediately. The list can be pretty long, like browsing through a big library, so just scroll down and take your time. Once you spot Clickup in that list, it's time to click on it. Selecting Clickup tells Notion, hey, this is the service I want to connect next. You should see an option that says Connect. Go ahead and click that button. This is where things get interesting, because you're about to bridge your two productivity tools together. Now, Notion will prompt you to log into your Clickup account. If you're already logged in on your browser, this may happen automatically. If not, just enter your usual Clickup credentials. It's completely normal if you have to pause here for a moment to find your login details. Security is always important when connecting platforms, so make sure everything looks right and your login is protected. After you've logged in successfully, you'll be asked to connect workspace. This step is super important. It decides which particular Clickup workspace you want Notion to sync with. If you're part of multiple teams or organizations in Clickup, double-check that you're connecting with the right workspace. It's a bit like giving Notion a key to a specific room in your office. You want to make sure you pick the correct one so your linked tasks and projects show up where you need them. Once you've clicked Connect Workspace, that's it. You've successfully integrated Clickup with Notion. This means you can start bringing in Clickup tasks, embedding project dashboards, or even automating workflows between the two platforms. If you're someone who juggles lots of tasks or collaborates with different teams, having this integration can be a major game changer. Gone are the days of switching back and forth between tabs. Now, everything's just a couple clicks away, right inside Notion. If any of these steps feel confusing, don't feel discouraged. It's perfectly normal to need a moment to find settings or to pick the correct workspace. And remember, you can always pause or rewind the video as you follow along. So that's how you integrate Clickup with Notion in 2024. Quick, secure, and super effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's an integration you'd like to see covered next. And if you want more tips to organize your digital life, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new tutorials. Thanks for watching.